Hi everyone! Welcome back to my channel. I'm Tintin, and today I'll be sharing one of the most unforgettable moments of every seafarer's life. Your very first day on board a cruise ship. If you're about to join your first contract, I know how you feel. Excited, nervous, maybe even a little scared. But don't worry, I'll walk you through what exactly happens on day one, what to expect, and how to make a great first impression. So grab your coffee, relax, and let's start this journey together. The day usually starts early. I remember waking up at 4 a.m. because I couldn't sleep. I was too excited and anxious. You'll need to bring all your important documents, passport, seafarer's book, medical, visa, and your employment contract. When you arrive at the port, you probably see a huge line of crew members, luggage everywhere, and port officers checking IDs. It feels chaotic but exciting. That's when it really hits you. This is it. I'm finally joining a cruise ship. Pro tip, always smile and be polite. You'll meet HR staff or security officers who'll check your papers before you board. That first impression matters more than you think. Before you enter the ship, you'll go a strict security check, just like at the airport. When I stepped inside for the first time, I still remember the smell of coffee from the crew mess, the loud sound of walkie-talkies, and crew rushing around preparing for embarkation. It felt like entering a small city at sea, so organized yet so alive. Pro tip, walk confidently but stay humble. You might get lost a few times, and that's totally fine. Every hallway looks like the same on your first day. After check-in, HR or your supervisor will hand your cabin key or card. For many, this is the most exciting moment. You finally see your new home. If you're lucky, you'll get a window. If not, don't worry. Most crew cabins are small but comfortable enough. You'll meet your roommate who might be from another country. That's part of the adventure. I remember my first roommate was from India. We didn't understand each other much at first, but after a few weeks, we become like sisters. That's the beauty of the ship. Friendship beyond borders. Tip: keep your cabin clean and organized. Respect your roommate's space. That's key to a peaceful contract. Once you're settled, it's time to report to HR or department head. They'll explain your duties, working hours, and where your department is located. You might receive your uniform and name tag on the same day. I'll never forget how nervous I was when I first met my supervisor. But remember, they've all been new ones. They know what it feels like. Just show that you're eager to learn. Tip: listen carefully and take mental notes. It's okay if you don't understand everything right away. Ask questions when you're unsure. Before you officially start working, every crew member must attend a safety orientation. This is mandatory. The ship takes safety very seriously. You learn about muster station, emergency signals, lifeboats, and evacuation procedure. When I joined my first ship, I was amazed by how detailed everything was. Even the smallest drill was done perfectly. Tip: always take this session seriously. In an emergency, knowing what to do could save your life or someone else. After orientation, you'll probably be hungry. That's when you'll visit crew mess, the dining area for all crew members. It's one of the best places to meet new friends. The first time I walked in, I was shy and didn't know where to sit, but someone smiled and said to join us. That's how I met my first group of ship friends, people I still talk today. So take time to explore the crew bar, gym, laundry area, HR office, and medical center. Knowing where these are will make your life easier later on. Now comes the exciting part, meeting your team. You'll be introduced to your department, and most of the time, you'll start light duties or just observe how things are done. I remember shadowing a senior crew member at the bar department on my first day. I was amazed how fast they work while smiling at guests like it was nothing. It inspired me to get better every day. So tip, be respectful to your seniors. Always greet people and never complain. Your attitude will take you further than your experience. By the end of the day, you feel exhausted, physically and mentally. But trust me, when you finally lie down in your cabin, you feel proud because not everyone gets the chance to work at sea, travel the world, and earn while doing what they love. You might miss home, but you'll also realize you just started a new chapter of your life. Before sleeping, I remember whispering to myself, this is just the beginning. So that's what happens on your first day on board. It's exciting, overwhelming, and unforgettable. Every crew member's first day is a mix of fear and happiness. But by the end, you realize you're exactly where you're meant to be. If you're joining soon, just remember, be confident, be humble, and be kind. You learn fast, meet people from all over the world, and experience life like no other job can offer. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and share it with someone who's about to join their first cruise ship. Until next time, this is Tintin. See you on board, sailors.